celebration of the Cebu Food and Wine Festival 2024 culminated with a feast of flavors at Jpark Island Resort and Waterpark, Cebu last Friday, June 28. The grand finale was held at the resort's newest restaurant, Galo Grill and Bar, which was named after the Uy family's patriarch.
Well, I'm very excited to announce that we have a lot of things happening in the hotel, in the resort. The most exciting one is tonight you're getting a chance to see our new restaurant, Galo Grill and Bar, which will be open starting around middle of July. This restaurant can seat about 300 people, and this will be the main restaurant for our guests who are in the Jpark Tower. We have 252 rooms in Jpark Tower, and those folks will be able to enjoy breakfast here every day.
The sumptuous spread featured the unique flavors of Jpark's 5 dining outlets, Qinghai's Chinese classics, Maru's Korean dishes, Nongki's Japanese specialties, Coral Seaside Restaurant, which featured grilled favorites, and Abalone's international cuisine.
So what I'm trying to do is try to reach out with the local farm, also local fishermen, local source, what we can do. Try to get as much local as possible, but try to enhance the flavor of what we can do for the dishes. As you know that we have a barbecue station, which is very familiar in the Filipino cuisine. But we want to try to be more fresh and cook and try to get more the original taste. As you know, we also have a very beautiful fruit in the island. So instead, you see in the buffet line, all the fruit is all cut already. But what we do is we let the guests to pick, and then we try to cut it in front there. So it's like almost like a farm to market feeling like that.
World-renowned chefs also joined as guests during the event, which included Chef Andrew Malarkey, who brought his team all the way from Siargao.
So the dishes I prepared, one of them is a tuna tostada. So that is using really nice fresh ahi tuna that we got here in Cebu. And my team in Siargao prepared some corn tostadas that we were able to finish while we were here in Jpark. And then I mixed that with a coconut leche de tigre. So that's citrus based with a lot of spice and a lot of aroma in it. And then we let that cure the fish, and then we finish it off with a bit of an umi crema. And then we put some chicharron and then some kamyas.
Chef Khalil Chan made an interesting twist to Cebu's favorite kinilaw and tuslo buwa.
So I prepared 2 dishes, 2 Cebuano-inspired dishes. One is kilawin leche de tigre. So I used lapu-lapu, I used coconut milk, I used green mango juice, calamansi, and lime. And I put it in I made the coconut as a vessel. And then the next dish is a street food inspired dish. If you know tuslo buwa. So what I did naman, I made it a little luxurious. So I used crab brains, crab fat. I added miso, I added sake, I added mirin, and I added caviar and crab meat and uni. And then you have your poso, traditional poso, and I also made a rice cracker also if you want some crunch.
Meanwhile, Chef 𝗙𝗲𝗪𝗂 brought the Cordillera dining experience to Cebu with her unique offerings.
So I'm doing 2 dishes tonight. One is called the 𝗙𝗃𝗃 𝗪𝗃𝗃, and the other is called the 𝗑𝗪𝗃 arancini. So I'm bringing the unique produce of the Cordilleras to Cebu. So for the 𝗑𝗪 arancini, I use the Kalinga rice called 𝗏𝗏𝗃 and the foraged mushroom called buho. So it's a wild mushroom that's available only during the rainy season. So it's good that it came in season before I came here, so I brought a lot and cooked it here for the Cebu Food and Wine Festival. The 𝗙𝗃𝗃 𝗪𝗃𝗃 is a traditional Igorot dish. So we changed it up a little bit and presented it in a more modern way.
Bar chef Khalil Dimitrio, aka Liquido Maestro, also amazed guests with his unique cocktails, including his world-renowned ubi cream liquor. As the celebration drew to a close, a captivating number by Jpark's in-house performers, the Amigos, wowed the audience. And a breathtaking fireworks display filled the night sky with vivid colors. Truly, Jpark's Feast of Flavors was more than just an event, but a celebration of culture, community, and the artistry of gastronomy. This is 𝗏𝗟 Mendoza, CNU Communication Intern for MyTV Cebu.
What a beautiful way to end this evening.